Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Henry's Family TV. How are you doing today? God has been so good to us. Okay guys, today I'm going to make some cow foot and pigtail soup. Okay guys, so I already washed my meat. Okay guys, I'm going to scald it off or boil it off. Okay guys, for you to see. So watch as I go. And remember guys, to scrape it off. Okay, let me show you how I scrape off my cow foot. I already scrape it, but this is how I scrape off my cow foot. So I already did it. So just scrape off your cow foot like this and you wash it. And then what I do, I scald it and I'm going to scald it, show you, or boil it off. Put it in some boiling water now. Okay guys, look at it guys. Got it? Okay, so my cow foot and my pigtail. All right, guys. Watch as I go, and remember, guys, to subscribe to my channel. And after I boil it off, I scald it. I have my pressure cooker here waiting to put it in. Okay, guys. So watch as I go, and I'm going to put yam, banana, dumpling, corn, whatever food I have. I'm going to put it in my pot this morning. So watch as I go, or today, or tonight, or whatever time you're watching. Watch as I go. Remember to subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell another friend that Henry's, Henrys, Family TV is on. Guys, watch as I go. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. See my pigtail and my cow foot. You can see it's all scald off. So what I do, I take it out like this. Let me use a bigger spoon or a big something else bigger. This is what I use this one. Because the pot is too hot and it's too big. So I'm going to do like this. You can see guys. Take out it from this water here. And remember guys to cut the fat off your pigtail. Okay. You can wash it again. And I have my pressure cooker there waiting on it. And guys, remember to subscribe and to tell a friend to tell another friend. You can see it here guys. See guys. The pot is too big and it's too heavy. See? Look at it. I'm going to wash it off again in some warm water and put it in my pressure cooker. This pot out of the way. You can see guys. So my pressure cooker is here waiting on it. The cow foot is it's harder than the pigtail, but I'm going to put both of them together. Whichever cook first, I take it out. You can do it. You can put in the pig foot first, or whatever you think is softer, put it in last. So this is what I do, and remember to you can just call it off, guys. And you can season it before. You can season your meat and cook it. This is what I'm doing here, guys. Whatever you do it in your whatever way you want to do it, but this is how I do it. Okay, guys. This is my cow foot and my pigtail. Okay, guys. I'm going to cover it now. Okay. And let it stay there and boil. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, tell a friend, to tell another friend. Okay. Just watch as I go. I'm back, guys. I'm back. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back, guys. These are my veggies for my soup. Okay. So watch as I go. This is how I look after it. Some people they peel the carrot, but I don't peel. I just cut it like this. Let me turn on my fan. And you put whatever you want to put in your soup. It doesn't matter. I'm using what I have. And I have my hot water here in case my soup wants some more water. I have it here ready. So guys, if you have space, as long as you have space, make sure you have your hot water on one side waiting. If your pot is not enough, see my pot boiling? Cow foot is so hard, but I'm still boiling it. But I'll soon be there. Just watch me as I go, guys. I have my squash here. If you don't have a squash, you use pumpkin. I think I have a. Let me check if I have any choo-choo in my fridge here. Guys, I thought I have a choo-choo, but I don't. So I'm going to use what I have. And guys, if you want to peel it, you peel it. If you don't, put it in a pot like that. And it doesn't matter the size of how you cut yours. It doesn't matter. It will all mash out. If you don't want to peel it, leave it like this. As I go, guys. And remember, guys, to be positive. Stay on the positive side of life. Okay, guys? So I have mine here now. And you cut it to whatever size you wanted. You don't have to cut it like me. Oh, this part is not good. Cut whatever size you want, guys. Whatever size I want, shapes or form, you do it like this. I can cut it like this. You have to be careful with your knife. Here it is, guys. I'm going to wash. My sink is on the other side. Got it, guys. Wash them. I'm going to use my strainer like this. Can you see? I drain it off. See, guys? That's all I do. And I put it in. Can you see, guys? And as I say, guys, use whatever you have. I am using whatever I have. Any kind of food I have, I just use it. Doesn't matter. I use whatever I have. Okay, guys? Can you see, guys? See? See my meat there? And my corn. I put the corn to pressure with it, with the meat. You can see, guys? Okay. I'm not going to put a lot of food in it. Washing my hands, girls. This is my flour. I'm going to make it. And I have my salt here. Just a little salt, not much. I have my water here. Wash my hands already. I'm going to make my flour now with a little water. Some more water. You don't have to put caramel in it, but I like it with the caramel, guys. Okay. And remember to subscribe to my channel. Like, share, tell a friend to tell another friend. Make a comment. Tell me how you do your soup. How you make your cow foot and whatever soup you're making. Share it with me. Tell me how you do it. Make a comment, man. Subscribe to my channel. Good things are happening over here. Exciting things are happening. Okay, guys. Got my flour. You can see, guys. You can see. There you go. And you put your dumpling whatever time you want to put it in. It will not mash out. Okay, guys. See my flour here? Let me wash my hands. I'm gonna cover it until I'm ready for it. Let's stay there. I'm gonna put one piece more squash in it. another piece of the squash. I'm going to put it in there, give it some more color. Let's see, guys. And guys, remember, be careful of the knife. Careful, guys. The skins are very hard. I'm going to put my yam in it. I have no chocho, no turnip, nothing. So I'm going to use whatever I have here, guys. So my pigtail and my cow foot soup is boiling. Cut the yam very small. See, guys? There you go, guys. I'm going to wash. This is it, guys. I already washed. There it is, guys. My squash and a piece of yam. Ouch. It's hot. Maybe I'm going to put banana in it. I'm not sure. Not sure yet, guys. But I'm just always clean your areas, guys. Always clean your areas. Okay. I wash my knives. I have my spoon in my cup here. Okay, guys. Let me finish. See my pot here boiling. Let me try. I'm not sure if I want to put banana in, but if you don't want to, you don't have to put it in. My food is not enough, so I have to use other stuff to put in. Okay, guys? Right, I'm just going to put in like, okay, and I'm going to do a thing like this. Like this. My bananas are all clean. Like this. And you can, let me get another basin. You can do like this, guys. To make up your soup and give it a little body, you can put 2 fingers of banana in it. Like you're cooking a ram soup. So I'm just using this as a substitute. Okay, guys, let me do all 3 fingers. See, guys? And then you wash it. Yeah. As I say, guys, you have to use banana, but I don't have enough food, so I just use a substitute. See, guys, going? See the color? Okay, guys. See my pot boiling? Use whatever food you have. See, guys, watch as I go. I'm going to make my dumplings now. So I'm going to wash my hands. As I say, wash my hands. Because the sink is on the other side. I can't turn the cameras as I want to. I have no one to hold the camera. So I have to do what I can manage. See you? See it, guys? Yes, guys. Welcome back, guys. And remember to subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. Okay, guys? Like, share, and please make a comment. Tell me how you do your soup. What kind of soup do you love? You can see? This is my dumpling, right? And remember to put God first in everything. Put God first in all your business. Put God first at work. Okay, guys? My pot is boiling. Put God first in the center of your life, in the center of your marriage, the center of your business, the center of your children. Put God first. Everything you're doing, guys, put God first. There is a God somewhere. Put God first in everything you do. Because the enemy is out there like a roaring lion, seeking whom he may devour. Okay, guys, so remember to subscribe to my channel. And I'm just encouraging you to be strong, full of positive vibes. Don't let nobody get you down. Get down your spirit. Okay? Putting in my dumpling. You put your dumpling whatever time you want to put it in. Doesn't matter. See my dumpling there boiling? God is in control of the universe. Doesn't matter what happened, He's in control. And guys, go to church. Find a place of worship. Go to church and worship. Don't let nobody stop you from coming to church or going to church. Okay, guys? Don't get discouraged. You're not going back. You have to go. If you don't want to go to that same church, go to another church. But no stop go to church, guys. Okay, guys. And if you want to put some spinners in it, you can. See my dumplings? If you put it in first, no problem. If you put your dumpling last, no problem. Yes, guys. Welcome back, guys. Look at my pot now, guys. Can you see it? Here it is. See my squash is mashing out. Can you see? It's mashing out. If you don't have squash, you use pumpkin. If you don't have pumpkin, you use your squash. I'm going to put in my chicken noodle now. That's my hot soup, guys. What kind of noodle do you use? I love this brand, Grace. So I'm going to put 3 packs of noodle in it. When you put 2, taste need to come up a bit. And remember, guys, to taste your pot. I use whatever noodle, chicken noodle you love. But I'm going to use like 3 packs of chicken noodle, guys. Finish with the squash. I'm going to put it away. So I'm going to put some water in it. So what I do, guys, I mix it out like this. If you want to put the grains in it, no problem, because I'm going to put some, not all. Not all, guys. Can you see the pot? My pot there now, guys. Gonna put some more water in this. Water here. You see, guys. So I do like this. You want to strain it, and you want to put a little of this in it, no problem. But I just like it this way. See, guys. Too much food. I'm gonna take out the bones. If you want to take out the bones after, okay, you can see. Okay, guys. And you want to put some more. I have hot water here. If you want to put a little tip of hot water in it, no problem. That's how I do it, guys. And remember to use whatever you have. Don't fuss you don't have churches to put in it. Don't fuss you don't have Irish. Don't fuss you about it. You use whatever you have, guys. I learned that from my parents. You use whatever you have. Okay, guys? It's too much food, but no problem. I'll take out some of the food and the corn. I have the corn in there taking a lot of space, so no problem. Look at it, guys. I'm going to take out some of the corns and let it stay there and boil. So watch me as I go, guys. Watch me. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. I love you from my heart. Please to subscribe to my channel. Nice things are happening over here. Okay, guys? Yes, guys, welcome back. This is my soup now. The pot has been overflowing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take out some of the corn, which already been cooked. Make space for the dumpling to flows over. Okay, guys? I have some more corn in here. You can take out whatever, as long as it's cooked, you can take out some of the food to make space for more soup. Okay, guys? I'm going to make some more, put some more water in it. See, guys, I'm just looking for more corns, if there's any more corn. Okay, guys? You can take out some of the meat if you want after. Just to make the space, and then when it's almost cooked, you can put it back in there. But to turn your food freely in the pot, it take rid of some. Even the meat, you can take them out. But after you put them back before this, right? I saw there's another corn here. To make space, to make more room for your soup. Okay, guys, look at it. So I have my scallion here, which I've already washed. And I have a piece of pepper. I don't have a whole of pepper, so I may use what I have. And guys, use what you have. And guys, I have my cloves, my rosemary. Look at it. My cloves, my rosemary, and my thyme. But what I did is, you guys, I put them in a pot and boil it or steam it, a pot of hot water, and steam it and use the water instead of putting the leaves or whatever in your soup. You can put it in there if you want, but this is how I do it. Boil it, put it in the refrigerator, and let it stay there as long as ever nothing is wrong, and then you just pour it in like this. See? Instead of using these, sometimes you have to be picking them out. So I just do it this way. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. And I'm going to put if you want to put seasoning in it, you can put, depends on the taste. Okay, so I have a little bit of seasoning here, just a little, because the chicken noodle has season. I'm going to put a little powder, ginger powder in it, guys. And you use whatever to your taste. You don't have to do it like me. You just use whatever you want to use in your soup. Okay, guys? I have found one more corn here, guys. I just want to make space for more soup because the corn already been cooked, pressured, and everything. Okay, guys? So you put whatever you want. If you want to put a full pepper, fine. No problem. I don't have a full pepper. See, guys? So watch as I go, guys. Watch as I go. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you. Thank you. I love you. Have a blessed Saturday. Okay, guys. Guys, look at my soup. Look at my soup, guys. I'm going to put some more water in it. I'm going to add some more water, guys. I have space now in the pot. So I'm going to put some more hot water in it. You can see it now, guys. Boiling water. Still boiling up. No cold water. So guys, have more space. So when I'm all finished, I can put the corn back in the pot. Okay, but I'm just making space for the soup. I have more soup to drink. Look at it, guys. Okay, guys, watch as I go. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Make a comment. Yes, guys, I'm still around. Welcome back to my channel. And this is my finished product. Cow foot, pigtail, and food. Okay, guys, look at it. It's all finished. It's all finished, guys. And I'm going to show you my finished product. Okay, guys. My banana. I don't want a lot of food now. I'm just showing you. I have my pigtail here, guys. And make sure I put a piece of the cow foot in it. Yeah, see? Well cooked. Okay, guys. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Look at it, guys. It's all finished. And look at my finished product, guys. Let me show you. This is my finished product. So let me taste it. I'm going to taste it for you. Let me pull the camera down a bit. Yes, guys. Can you see me now? This is my finished product. Okay, guys. Can you see it? My dumpling. My cow foot. And guys, you can take off your bone after it cooked. And my pigtail. My carrot. My banana. And a piece of yam. Okay, guys, I'm going to taste it and let you see. Can you see, guys? Tastes so good. You see, guys? Tastes so good, guys. And remember, you put whatever you want to put it. If you want it spicy, whatever you want, you put it in it. Okay, guys? Thanks for watching. You have a God blessed day and allow the Lord to lead you through the rest of your day. I love you guys. I love you. Thank you for watching my channel. Look out for another epic episode video. Okay, guys? Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. All right? And wherever you are, keep your head above the waters. Thank you. Remember to subscribe, tell a friend, like, share, make a comment on my soup. And guys, if you want to put coconut milk in it, it's fine. It's okay. But I don't want any in mine today. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.